Now I have a message from Guru Gangadhar Pradhanji that he would like me to read out to all of you. Revered Gurus, my very dear Ashish Babu, who fondly calls me Ganga Bhai, beloved artists and dear connoisseurs, I must acknowledge that Ashish Babu and his great father, our most respected Mohan Khokarji, have done their best to tell the world about the culture of my state, besides about me, my Orissa Dance Academy, Konark Natya Mandap, and Konark Dance and Music Festival that I have been hosting for the past 25 years. I apologize for not being able to speak to you in English. Hence, I have requested the anchor to communicate my feelings to you all in language that is familiar to everyone. I am extremely happy and honored to be amidst you all here today for a special occasion, launching of the annual Odissi festival called Naman, hosted by my dear disciple Madhulita. Propagation of Odissi dance and Orissa's culture throughout the world has been my singular mission in life. So I was really excited to come here for the occasion. Last evening, I watched more than 60 dancers here. Most of them were tiny tots, but in them I could see the future faces of Odissi, and my heart was filled with joy. I am happy that my young disciple Madhulita could motivate so many children and even a few ladies to pursue Odissi within less than 2 years of her stay here. I express my deep gratitude to the parents of the budding dancers for encouraging their children to learn Odissi. They have been the best promoters of the dance form everywhere. I had heard that the artists and connoisseurs of Bangalore are great admirers of Odissi. I could experience it by being here this time. I appeal to you all to continue your love and support for this dance form. I express my deepest gratitude to the distinguished dance personalities and someone so special like Ashish Babu to be here today to bless my child, Madhulita, who dreams to promote Odissi in Karnataka. I pray to Lord Jagannath that the dream of this young dancer in the service of Odissi may come true. Before I conclude, let me once again express my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you present here for your love for Odissi and support for Madhulita. Jai Jagannath. Thank you, Guruji. It was a truly moving message.
बाटे जाऊं रे कालिया नित्य ही बाटे जाऊं नित्य ही बाटे जाऊं रे कालिया नित्य ही बाटे जाऊं नित्य ही बाटे जाऊं रे कालिया नित्य ही बाटे जाऊं नित्य ही बाटे जाऊं रे कालिया नित्य ही बाटे जाऊं नित्य ही बाटे जाऊं रे कालिया नित्य ही बाटे जाऊं नित्य ही बाटे जाऊं रे कालिया नित्य ही बाटे जाऊं घाटर कौड़ी मागिले कालिया घाटर कौड़ी मागिले कालिया मुरली बजाऊ थाऊ मुरली बजाऊ थाऊ रे कालिया मुरली बजाऊ थाऊ रे कालिया मुरली बजाऊ थाऊ रे कालिया सुना तो लागी गोपदांड मोना
Naman 2010. Thank you so much for being with us today. We're really blessed to have such an amazing audience. Once more, I would like to thank three very special people. Shri Shamhari ji, who's come here all the way from Bhubaneswar, Odisha to be with us. Thank you so much, sir. We're blessed to have you. Our chief guest, Shri Ashish Mohan Khokar. And of course, Padma Shri, Guru Gangadhar Pradhan ji. There are no more words left to describe